Hey y'all, today we will be making some brownies. I have a recipe here in my recipe book. Absolutely love this recipe book. It is waterproof. I literally spill things all the time. Easy, quick wipe off. It shouldn't take too long and it's simple ingredients. The first step is you're gonna melt 1 cup of butter with a half a cup of chocolate chips. Alright, now that your butter and chocolate chips are melted together, pour it into your mixing bowl, which is this one, or whichever one you're going to use. Then we are going to pour in 2 tablespoons of any neutral oil of your liking. So this 1, 2. Then we are going to put in our white sugar, our 1 cup and 1/4 white sugar. And then you're gonna mix that until it's fully combined. Alright, now that I mixed that, we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I'm using this Dominican one. I got the one from Jamaica too, but I've been using this. I like it. They taste different. This one smells really good too. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna add in 3 whole eggs. We're gonna add in our brown sugar. That is 1 cup. And we're gonna mix that until it's fully combined. The camera wasn't recording when I added the cocoa powder and the all-purpose flour. So what you're gonna do is add that in. You can add it together, and then you're gonna add in your next half a cup of chocolate chips, and you're gonna mix it until everything is thoroughly combined. Now everything is fully combined. It's a nice kind of thick consistency. We're just gonna go ahead, scrape this off, and then we're gonna prepare our pan. Sheet thick. I can already tell this is gonna be fudgy. Trying not to waste any batter because I want all of it. Alright, so I got my parchment paper here. I'm gonna go ahead and line my pan with it. Okay, maybe that will hold it down while I fix it. Perfecto. Alright, let's put this in for real now. You can tell by this batter that it's gonna be so doughy. Not doughy, but like fudgy. Damn, this look like... I'm not even gonna say it, that's kind of nasty. Trying to get this out. I'm gonna spray some oil on it so it'll be easy to come out. And now that I got everything out the bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and basically smooth it out. Bruh. Alright. This is what it's looking like. Ooh, now if you want and you want to be big back, you could sprinkle some more chocolate chips on there, but I'm not going OD. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. Make sure to check it in between that time, okay? This is how it looks. Very, very nice. Thank you. I love you so much. Very, very nice. I thank you. I love you. I just cut into the brownie and it tastes so good, like so rich in chocolate. My husband don't like brownies, but him lucky. It's moist. It's fudgy. I love that. So good. So that is okay, Pop. Hold on. So guys, that is my brownie recipe. It's totally good. You can use any type of chocolate that you want. I use semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm not a fan of things being too sweet, but definitely this recipe is rich in chocolate. Tastes so good. You can use milk chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever. Just know that your brownies are going to be nice and fudgy, and you can always top it off with some extra chocolate chips or extra chocolate to your liking. But if you enjoyed this video and you enjoy content like this, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friend, everything, right? So I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye.